Think of your budget like a rubber band. Most days it sits at your average, but sometimes it needs to stretch to catch more traffic. To make sure you don't miss out on those busy days, Google can spend up to twice your average daily budget. So if you set $10, you might see a $20 charge on a given day. 2 quick things to remember. 1. If you're running a Pay for Conversions campaign, there is no daily spending limit, but the campaign will always stay within the monthly spending limits. 2. The moment you change your average daily budget, your daily spending limit updates too. But at the end of the month, it all balances out. The amount you've spent on average every day will match your average daily budget. Your monthly spending limit is the most you'll pay for a campaign in a month. To calculate it, multiply your average daily budget by 30.4, the average number of days in a month. If your campaign starts mid-month, your limit is simply based on the specific days it actually ran. But what happens when served costs exceed daily or monthly spending limits? Sometimes, you might see served costs that actually go over your limit. But no need to panic, since there's a big difference between served cost, which is just the total activity, and billed cost, which is what you actually pay. Don't worry if you see served costs crossing the line. You're only responsible for your spending limits. If that happens, Google covers the difference. If you'd like to determine whether your campaign's served cost exceeded your billed cost, follow these steps. Go to Report Editor within the Campaigns menu. Under the Billing drop-down menu, select Billed Cost. You'll find a report that lists served and billed costs for each campaign. To calculate the difference, subtract billed cost from served cost. To perform these calculations in bulk, select the download icon in the top right corner of the report and save as a CSV file. By default, the data is displayed daily and sorted by served cost. If you wish to assess a certain date range, remove the day filter and set a date range in the upper right section above the table. For more information about spending limits, visit the Google Ads Help Center.